Today in this class we are going to discuss about question number 1 exercise 7.3 triangles. What about this question? Observe. Question number 1. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles. What? Triangle ABC, this one. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC. DBC, this one. This one is what? DBC. This one is what? ABC. These are two isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles is what? In the isosceles triangles, we are having two equal sides. Clear? Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Both triangles ABC and DBC, both triangles are having same base BC. Clear? Vertex A and D are on the same side of BC as shown in the figure. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, so that we want to show these things. Observe carefully. What we are having? We are having ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangles, what meaning? Two sides of triangles are equal. Clear? Now we want to prove triangle ABD is congruent of triangle ACD or not. ABD. This triangle is congruent of ACD. We want to show this one. So how we will show? In the question we are having, in the question given us in the diagram, ABC, this is the isosceles, and this side is equal to this side. It is given in the question. In this triangle DBC, this side is equal to this side. It is given in the diagram. Clear? Observe carefully. So how we will prove this one? Now first I am taking solution. What about the solution? First I am taking triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD or not. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have what we are having. Observe carefully. Simple question. In the question we are having ABC and DBC are what? Two isosceles triangle. We want to show triangle ABD. This is the congruent to this one ACD. We want to show. In the question we are having AB equal to AC. Given AB equal to AC, it is given us. Another thing, once we observe this side and this side, both are equal. It is also given in the question. BD, or we can say DC, DB equal to DC. Both sides also what? Given. Equal. Now next one. Once we talk about the angle, but first we can take this side. This side is what? This side. This side is what? Common. So AD equal to AD, and it is common in both the triangle. So from these three things we can say triangle ABD is congruent of triangle ACD by side congruence rule. By side congruence rule, we can say these are what? these two triangles are congruent. Observe again how we are proving. We are having triangle ABC and DBC, ABC and DBC. These are two isosceles triangles. Clear? Now in these two isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC given us, DB equal to DC given us. Clear? But we want to prove triangle ABD and ACD are congruent or not. Triangle ABD, ACD, we want to prove congruent. What is the meaning of the congruent? Two triangles are congruent if corresponding parts of these triangles will be equal. So once we talk about this triangle and this triangle, AB is equal to AC, DB is equal to DC, and this side AD is common in both triangles. So from the side congruence rule, we can say these two triangles ABD and ACD are what? Congruent. We proved this one. Clear? Now next think, what? Triangle ABP. Now this triangle and triangle ACP, we want to prove these two triangles are congruent or not. So now how we will prove second one? I am taking second one. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, we have what? In these two triangles ABP, ACP, what we are having? AB equal to AC, it is given. Both sides are equal, no doubt. Why? Because ABC is what? Isosceles triangle. So its two sides are equal and it is given as AB equal to AC. Now next thing, in both triangle, another thing we can observe, what? Another thing, AP is common. AP in both triangles, AP is common. AP is common. Now I am taking this one as angle A and this one is angle B. What? I am considering this is the angle A and this is angle B. Now angle A equal to angle B. Why? Why angle A equal to angle B? Because we already proved ABD is congruent of ACD. ABD is congruent of ACD. So angle A will be equal to angle B by CPCT. So we can say why? Since triangle ABD is congruent of triangle ACD. ABD is congruent of ACD, we proved. So once these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts of congruent triangles will be equal. So this angle will be equal to this one. So we can say angle A equal to angle B. So now this thing is useful for these two triangles. What these two triangles? Triangle ABP and ACP and triangle ACP. Now in these two triangles we want to show congruent or not. So this side equal to this one is the common, and this angle equal to this angle. So we can say triangle ABP is congruent. ABP, this triangle is congruent to triangle ACP, this one by side angle side congruence rule. Side angle side congruence rule. By side angle side congruence rule, what we can say? These two triangles, triangle ABP is congruent of this one, triangle ACP. Clear? Now next question. Third one, AP bisects angle A as well angle D. AP is bisecting angle A as well as angle D. So how we will prove? Observe carefully. I am taking question number 3rd. Angle, we proved angle A equal to angle B and angle A equal to, we proved what we proved? Angle A equal to angle B. We are having what? Triangle ABD is congruent of triangle ACD. These two triangles are congruent. So angle A equal to angle B. So we can say, what we can say? What we can say? AP bisects angle A. AP bisects angle A, or angle A equal to angle B. Why? Because this triangle is congruent to this one. We can write also triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. In the first question we proved triangle ABD is congruent of triangle ACD. This triangle is congruent to this one. So angle A equal to angle B. Angle A equal to what? Angle B. Angle A equal to what? Angle B. These two triangles are equal. Why? Because these two angles are equal. Why? Because these two triangles are congruent. In the first question we completed this thing. Clear? So we can say this AP is bisecting this complete angle A. Clear? So we proved this one. But we want also prove what? As well as angle D. AP is bisecting angle D or not. We want to prove this angle is bisecting or not. We want to show this one. So how we will show this one? Observe carefully. AP bisect. AP is bisecting. It means, observe after this one how we will prove. In the question number 3rd, one thing also required. What? AP bisecting angle D or not. AP bisecting angle D. We want to prove this one. So now I am taking this one angle A equal to angle B. Why? Because ABD is congruent of ACD. So this angle will be equal to this one, and this angle will be equal to this one. Yes or no? This angle will be equal to in the two triangles are congruent, and congruent rule is what? Corresponding parts of these triangles will be equal. This side equal to this one, this side equal to this one, this common, both triangles same size, and this angle will be equal to this one, this angle will be equal to this one, and this angle will be equal to this one. So what we can say? ADB, angle ADB equal to angle ADC. What we want to prove? We proved angle AP bisecting angle A. AP bisecting angle A. Why? Because this angle equal to this angle. Once we are having equal angle, it means it is bisecting. Clear? So we proved. But we want to prove AP is bisecting angle D. AP is bisecting this angle. So I am taking this angle equal to this angle. Why these two angles are equal? Because these are equal because triangle ABD is congruent of triangle ACD. We already proved this one in the question number 1. This one we proved ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So we can say corresponding angles, this angle will be equal to this one. Clear? Now what we can say? Now observe carefully, this angle and this angle, it is what? Linear pair of angles. These two are what? Linear pair of angles. So sum of these two angles will be what? 180 degree. 180 degree. So how we will write? This angle can be written as 180 minus 180. This angle can be written as 180 minus angle ADB equal to 180 minus angle ADC. No problem. Angle ADB, this angle plus this angle plus this angle equal to 180. So this angle will be what? 180 minus of this angle. 180 minus of this angle. How we are getting this one? 180. Sum of add the linear pair of the angles. One straight line we are having, and at the straight line we are getting like this angle. Sum of this and these two angles will be what? 180 degree. So in this, angle ADB equal to angle ADC. By using this one we can write. Now we are doing 180 minus this one and 180 minus this one, we are getting this one. Now 180 minus angle DBC, 180. Now at this straight line we are getting total angle will be what? This is a straight angle. So straight angle is 180. 180 minus this one will be, we are getting this angle. What? This angle we are getting. So we can say angle BDP. What angle we are getting? Angle BDP equal to angle CDP. CDP, this angle will be equal. So how we are getting these things? Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles axioms, we are getting this thing. So finally we can say AP. Finally what we can say? AP bisects angle D. Observe what we are doing in this question. Simple question. We are having we want to prove this one. AP bisects angle A as well angle D. This line is bisecting angle A or angle D. How? So we proved this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Yes or no? So this angle will be equal to this one. No doubt. Once angle A equal to angle B, then we can say AP is bisecting angle A. Simple. Now we want to prove AP is bisecting this angle or not. So we proved this triangle is congruent to this triangle in the question number 1. So this angle equal to this one, this angle equal to this one. So this angle means angle ADB. This angle will be equal to ADC. These two angles are what? Equal. Clear? So this angle equal to this one. Okay, but this is the one straight line, and straight line having 180 degree. Total angle will be straight line. At the point of the straight line we are getting 180 degree. So sum of this angle will be what? 180. So this angle can be written as 180 minus this one. 180 minus total angle is what? 180. And so we can say 180 minus this one will be what? This one. We want to prove this one. So we are taking sum of both angles. This plus this will be what? 180. So this angle will be what? 180 minus this one. So I am writing this as what? 180 minus this one equal to what? This one. We want to prove this one. Similarly, there is also 180. Again we are getting 180 angle total. This plus this will be 180. So this can be written as 180. This can be written as what? 180 minus this one. So angle ADC can be written as 180 minus angle ADC. Angle ADC, then we are getting this one. So we can say this equal to this one. So we can say AP is bisecting angle D also. Clear? Now, last fourth question, how we will prove. Observe fourth one. Observe carefully. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular means this angle and this angle equal to 90 degree. We want to show this one. This or this one is 90 degree or not. We proved ABP. Observe ABP congruent to ACP in the question number second. ABP is congruent of triangle ACP, this triangle. It means this side equal to this one, this side will be equal to this one, yes or no? This equal to this one, this equal to this one. So what we can say, BP equal to CP. Why? Triangle ABP is congruent of triangle ACP. So we can say like this. Once these two triangles are congruent, ABP is congruent of ACP, these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT we can say corresponding parts will be equal. This equal to this one, this is the common in both, and this equal to this one. Clear? Now we talk about the angles. This angle will be equal to this angle, this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this one. I am taking this one as a C and this one as a D. So what we can say, angle C equal to angle D, angle C equal to and angle C equal to angle D. Small letter I am using, angle C equal to angle D, and I am taking this one as a equation number 1. BP equal to CP and angle C equal to angle D. Why? Because these two triangles, triangle ABP and triangle ACP are what? Congruent. So this side equal to this one and this angle equal to this one. But angle C plus angle D equal to what? 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Why this one is the 180 degree? Linear pair of angles, 180 degree. What? Linear pair of angles. Observe this angle plus this angle, it is making linear pair, so sum of both angle will be what? 180 degree. From the linear pair of axioms we can say angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. From equation 1 angle C equal to angle D. So at the place of angle D we are writing angle C. What we are getting from equation 1? What we are getting? Angle C plus angle C equal to, from equation 1, in above equation put from equation 1 in above equation put angle D equal to angle C. What we are putting? Angle D equal to angle C we are putting. From this equation, from equation 1 in above equation, put angle D equal to angle C. Then angle C plus angle C equal to what? 180 degree. Solve this one. 2 times of angle C equal to 180 degree implies angle C equal to 180 degree divided of 2, we are getting 90 degree. So angle C equal to 90 degree. Finally we can say angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree implies AP is the perpendicular. AP is the perpendicular. AP is the bisector of BC. perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. We proved this one. Question number 4th one. So what we are doing in this question, observe carefully. We are having 4 questions linked to question number 1. In this question we are having ABC and DBC, two triangles are ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles. In the ABC, AB equal to AC, and in DBC we are having DB equal to DC. Clear? We want to show these things. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD or not. ABD is congruent of ACD or not. How we are proving this one? Already given us AB equal to AC and DB equal to DC, and this AD is common in both triangles. So from the side congruence rule, we can say these two triangles are what? Congruent. Now second question is saying ABP is congruent of ACP or not. Again, this one is common to this one equal to this one, AB equal to AC, and AP is common. Already we proved this triangle is congruent to this one. ABD is congruent of ACD, so this angle will be equal to this one, angle A equal to angle B. So from the side angle side in which, in these two triangles, side angle side congruence rule, we can say these two triangles, triangle ABP and triangle ACP are what? Congruent. Now third question we want to prove AP bisects angle A. Simple. AP, we proved angle A equal to angle B, so we can say AP is bisecting angle A. Similarly, how this angle D is bisecting, AP is bisecting angle D also. How? So this in this triangle, in these two triangles, this angle, what angle? ADB and ADC are what? Equal. Why? Because we already proved this triangle is congruent to this one. So this angle equal to this one. Clear? But straight line having 180 degrees, some of the angles will be what? 180 degree. So this plus 180 minus this will be what? This one. How we are getting this one? 180 minus this one. This equal to this one, so 180 minus this one equal to this one, 180 minus this one equal to what? This one. So finally we can say this equal to this one, so we can say AP is bisecting angle D also. Now next one, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular, it means this angle and this angle should be 90 degree. We want to show this one. So how we are showing this one? We studied what? In these two triangles ABP and ACP, what? Congruent we proved in the second question. ABP and ACP are congruent, it means this equal to this one given, so this will be equal to first we should be show we congruent na, this equal to this one, this angle equal to this one, this is the common, so automatically we can say these two triangles ABP and ACP are congruent, so this side equal to this side, so this P is the midpoint. P is what? Midpoint. But we want to show angle. How we will show angle? This angle equal to this one, this angle will be equal to this one, so this C will be equal to D, angle C equal to angle D, but we don't know it is the 90 degree. We want to show this one, angle C and angle D are what? 90 degree. This angle C equal to angle D, that's okay. From the congruence rule, a triangle ABP is congruent of ACP. We proved by the side angle side congruence rule, this triangle is congruent to this one, that's okay. So angle C equal to angle D, angle C equal to angle D we proved. But from the linear pair of the axioms we can say sum of both angle will be what? 180 degree. Linear pair angles we can say sum of both angles will be what, 180 degree, and this angle C equal to angle D we proved by side angle side congruence rules of these two triangles. So at the place of the D we can put angle C. I am putting, solving, we are getting angle C equal to 90 degree. If angle C equal to 90 degree, automatically total angle will be 180. So this angle D will be 90 degree. So we can say AP is what we can say AP. What we can say, AP is the perpendicular, means 90 degree bisector of BC. AP is 90 degree, or we can say it is the perpendicular to BC. So we can say AP is the perpendicular bisector. It is bisecting two parts. Clear? And angle is what, 90 degree. We proved this one. So I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.